Hey there, little friends, let's learn the fruits. Apple. Hi, kids. I'm the apple, your crunchy and sweet friend. You can find me in different colors like red, green, or yellow. I'm great for munching on as a snack or making delicious applesauce and pies. Banana. Hey there, I'm the banana, your yellow curvy buddy. I'm super soft and sweet. Peel me and enjoy me as a quick snack or blend me up into yummy smoothies. Orange. Hi kids! I'm the orange, the round citrus fruit that's full of sunshine. I'm juicy and bursting with vitamin C to keep you healthy and strong. Just peel me and enjoy my tangy sweet flavor. Strawberry. Hey kiddos! I'm the strawberry, your red heart-shaped friend. I'm sweet and juicy like candy. You can eat me fresh, put me on top of pancakes, or mix me into your favorite desserts for a berrylicious treat. Pineapple. Aloha! I'm the pineapple, the tropical fruit with a spiky crown. I'm super sweet and juicy like a tropical vacation in your mouth. Enjoy me fresh or add me to pizzas, salads, or even grill me for a tasty snack. Watermelon. Hi there, I'm the watermelon, your refreshing summer buddy. I'm big and green on the outside, but inside I'm juicy and bright red. Just take a big slice and enjoy my sweet, watery goodness on a hot day. Grape. Hey kids, I'm the grape, the tiny fruit that packs a big punch. I come in bunches and can be red, green, or even purple. Pop me in your mouth for a burst of sweet or tart flavor or turn me into yummy grape juice. Mango. Namaste. I'm the mango, the king of tropical fruits. I have a golden orange skin and sweet juicy flesh. You can eat me fresh, blend me into smoothies, or use me to make delicious mango salsa. Kiwi. Kia ora! I'm the kiwi, the fuzzy fruit from New Zealand. I may look a bit hairy on the outside, but inside, I'm green and tangy sweet. Just slice me open and scoop out my juicy green flesh with a spoon. Pear. Hello, kids! I'm the pear, the sweet and juicy fruit shaped like a teardrop. I come in different colors like green or yellow. You can eat me fresh or bake me into tasty pear crisps or pies. Cherry. Hi there, I'm the cherry, the tiny fruit with a big flavor. I come in bright red or dark purple colors. Pop me in your mouth and watch out for my pit. You can also enjoy me in yummy cherry popsicles or jams. Blueberry. Blueberry. Hey kids, I'm the blueberry, the tiny fruit that's bursting with flavor. I'm dark blue or purple and full of antioxidants to keep you healthy. Snack on me by the handful or sprinkle me on top of your cereal or yogurt. Peach. Peach. Hiya, I'm the peach, the fuzzy fruit that tastes like summertime. I have soft, juicy flesh that's sweet and delicious. Enjoy me fresh or baked into peach cobblers, pies, or jams. Plum. Hey kids, I'm the plum, the smooth-skinned fruit with a sweet tart flavor. I come in different colors like red, purple, or yellow. Bite into me for a burst of juicy goodness, or enjoy me dried as a yummy snack. Lemon. Hello, little ones. I'm the lemon, the sour citrus fruit that's full of zest. I have bright yellow skin and lots of tangy juice. Squeeze me over your food or drink to add a zingy flavor, or use my zest to make lemony treats. Raspberry. Hi kids, I'm the raspberry, the small fruit with big flavor. I'm red or black and packed with juicy goodness. Pop me in your mouth for a burst of sweet tart deliciousness, or mix me into smoothies or desserts. Avocado. Hola! I'm the avocado, the creamy green fruit that's full of healthy fats. I have a bumpy green skin and soft, buttery flesh. Mash me up to make yummy guacamole or spread me on toast for a tasty snack. Grapefruit. Hey there! I'm the grapefruit, the tangy citrus fruit that's packed with vitamins. I come in yellow or pink and have a refreshing flavor. Enjoy me fresh for breakfast or turn me into grapefruit juice for a zesty drink. Papaya. Hello kids, I'm the papaya, the tropical fruit with a sweet orange flesh. I have black seeds surrounded by juicy goodness. Scoop me out and enjoy me fresh or blend me into fruity smoothies. Pomegranate. Hi there, I'm the pomegranate, the unique fruit with ruby red seeds. I'm tangy sweet and full of antioxidants. Enjoy me by scooping out my seeds or drinking my delicious juice. Please like, share, and subscribe.